Shipping it to California.
So you can see the porks came out real nice. So we're getting them all buttoned up, getting ready to ship.
Y'all hear me fast and bad. Shipping it to California. Got some sand in the tires. It's not what I ordered. Shipping this bike to Compton. It's fast and bad, and that's my last offer. Shipping this bike to Compton. 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 Don't have no battery. Gotta send that separate.
All right, she is packaged up. We got some heavy duty tape protecting stuff. Make sure she don't get too bumped up. We'll put a bunch of shipping foam and stuff in the box. And make sure she don't get banged up too bad. And she is ready for the road to Compton. Everything else is inside. The pipe, man, that paint is still pretty tender. That's a high heat paint. It's been several hours, but I don't know if that sucker is dry. It might leave a cool wiggly foil impression in the pipe. But that should burn off though. We were shipping 35.3 pounds of goodness